Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial, and today we'll learn how to design this awesome how to design social media graphics tutorials and tricks. So now, how do we design this awesome social media graphic, right? So let's learn the tricks behind this, how we were able to get this awesome blend here, even though this application does not have things like shadows, as in you can't control the shadows. That's what I'm talking about. But how do we end up getting this kind of nice shadow effect? And then this mobile phone, and you can change the color of this mobile phone, so all these things, these are tricks we need to maneuver today and learn how to work towards it successfully without having issues. You can also maybe yeah, so basically that is what we're going to learn today. So let's clear this off and then start afresh. So we're going to clear it, and we start with the background. Don't mind, I didn't copy the colors, so I may be designing something completely different. How I did a very big mistake, right? I didn't save it. I don't have the manuscript. Okay, but let's just go ahead. So now basically we're going to start with the background. So I think this is not bad. I'm going to leave that there, and then I'll go to shapes and pick okay, over shape first. So I'm going to pick an over shape, and I'll just a little bit make it that way and rotate it a bit and change the color to something like this. Double click and then duplicate, reduce the size a bit, send to back, and change the color a bit and rotate it this way. With that, we can make it smaller a bit, and then okay, now it's time to get this nice blending shadow we got from behind here. So what we're going to do is to pick a rectangular tool and then reduce the size like this. Make sure that this can make kind of same height, same distance with this our oval shape that we manipulated. We resize it from one corner to the other. So from here, all we have to do is to go next, and then make sure we pick this a bit. Take it minus 15 is enough. So from there you can take it back to this place, and then exactly, this should be enough. Send it to back, and then from there we can I save the gradient actually, so I'm going to go to gradient and then click on gradient. Oh, this is actually not, so this one I need it to be same as the background in order to create that nice blend. So I'm going to go to these colors and then change color, copy this color code, and then go back. So from there, if I'm too fast, please, I'm just trying to save um, time of data consumption for you watching this, so you may try to pay much attention in order not to miss any trick here. So now we click on this, we go to change color, and then we paste that color that we copied before. So we paste it, and then we're done with that. We click on OK. Let me take this up. Good. So now we have our number one. Good. It has blended into that very well. So we go to the next one, which is this, and then we click on change color. We paste the same values, but then this one we're going to make it a bit darker and click OK. Shadow is not enough, we make it darker again. where is it? This is the dark one. We'll make it darker again. So I think the shadow is enough, right? Okay, I think it's enough to... Whoa, not you. This one, sorry. Okay, so make it darker a bit again. Good. That's enough. Now we bring in our mobile phone. That is communication. I think technology should be somewhere we will get tech related things. So we get this smartphone, and then this is exactly the one I use. And then we come and say, what's this? This is a boost, right? Yeah, explode. Okay, so we delete this off because we don't want it. And then we click we're on it. So guys, pay attention. So we make it white, and then we go back, we get a rectangular tool, and with the rectangular tool we'll be able to get what we want. So we pick up the rectangular tool, and then we resize it to the size of the screen. Okay, so now I think we're ready for this. Good. So we have resized it to the size of the screen. Make it a bit different from the smartphone itself. So once you created that a kind of a little bit of difference, you can now duplicate it. We're creating charts. How do they call them? Floats or whatever it is. So we put it there, and then we give this a bit of that color, and then this side we change it a bit. Good. So there is a bit difference between the two um, charts. So we duplicate this one, and then we'll put it down. Good. Duplicate this one. We put it here, and move it up a bit. Good. Move this one to the left. Good. So now our chart has been successfully created. Our chart, whatever. We can make this one smaller. Maybe it's like he's the last person that responded. So we can move it up. Good. So our chart has been created. So all you have to do now is to get our flags, what is it called, flags again, or whatever it is. We'll pick that chart, that messaging icon. Where can I get that? I think communications, right? So go to communications, and from the communication, I think I should be able to get something like that. Good. I pick it from the communication, and then put it up here. So with that, I'll be able to change the color to this gradient. I think I saved that, so I'll load it, and yes, I saved it. So all I have to do is to rotate it from here and have what I want. Good. So now I have rotated it. So now we're going to type how to design social media graphics. We click OK, then we say tutorials and tricks. Good. That's my cat trying to cry here, but good. So I'm going to have change the font. I want something else. Good. This is good. So I'm going to have this. Okay. So I think I have that here. This is in on black, and I'm going to have this one. I think I'm going to change the font to maybe something like Montserrat. Good. So I have something like Montserrat, and so I'll pick one of these and then duplicate it, change it to yellow. This is not light enough. I'll change it. I'll add it again. Send to back. And make it light yellow. So I think our graphic has been complete. You can also make it white. It's still not bad. So we can make it white there, and then I think our graphic is complete. So guys, this is how to design this awesome social media graphic. You can rewind. First of all, you need to be aware of this blending. If there is any background behind, it will not work. You understand? Like maybe you put a picture behind, the trick will not work. So mind you, it's a solid color, and take note of that. So take note of this, these blends and all of this, these colors and everything. So guys, this is how to design this awesome social media graphic, and you can do this for your business and post, and someone will be thinking maybe you have a PC, or you're using maybe a complicated, a sophisticated software, but no, you're using Logopit Plus. So thank you guys, have a nice time.